I am very passionate about seafood. I love to eat it and I love to cook it. And every summer we get to spend some time in that small fisherman village my wife is from, and we get to eat the most fresh and delicious seafood there is. So today I want to show you how to properly do lobster, from choosing it to killing it humanly and then cooking it, and how to deshell the lobster. So enough talking and let's do this! So I want to show you the difference between a male and a female. So it will be just here. So those little legs here, when they are small like this, it's a female. And this is a male. Those little legs are much bigger. I don't want to hear any one of you putting live lobster in boiling water because this is cruel and savage. I will show you how I like to put the lobster to sleep before killing it and then put it in boiling water. Over the years, I heard a lot of weird story on how to put the lobster asleep. Some people grab it by the tail. Woo! This one is alive. So they grab it by the tail and then they swing it like this and they say it's gonna put them to sleep, but it doesn't really work. And I've seen people like grabbing the lobster and put it on her forehead, and then they just rub between the eyes like this. It's supposed to put them to sleep. Honestly, maybe that worked, but for me it never worked. So the way I like to do it, it's to put the lobster in the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes. That way it will enter in a dormant state, and then you kill it and you won't feel anything. Alright, those lobster has been frozen for 20 minutes now. And what we want to do now is to kill them like instantly. So here you see the line. This is the nerve system of the lobster, and you want there's a crust, so you want to enter the knife right here and then through the brain. So I don't want to show you this because it can be disturbing for some people, like my wife who is upstairs right now. So let's do this right here, and then you push and run through. It will move a little. It's the nerve. Don't worry, it's dead. Thank you for your sacrifice. Now it's time to boil them, and the cooking time will depend. The cooking time will depend on the weight and the gender of the lobster. So for a lobster of that size, about a pound and a quarter, it will be 10 minutes for a male and 12 minutes for a female. And before you put the lobster in the water, make sure you put salt in this water. I want this water to be as salty as the ocean. Want to put salt in, baby?
Yes.
Thank you.
No.
A lot. Yeah. You want help, Papa?
Yes.
Okay. And here you go. Alright, so right after you cook, you need to put it in cold water so the cooking process will stop, and it will be more easy to handle after. You need to remove those before cooking it, and then in boiling water it goes for 10 minutes because this one is a male. Woo! So now if you want to remove the tail, you grab the tail and the body and you twist and you pull like this. Now for the claw, same, twist and pull. Here, twist and pull. You want to do the legs?
Yes.
Alright, take it there, twist, pull. Yeah, good job.
Good job. High five.
High five. There's two ways to get the meat from the tail. First, you break the top of the tail, then the bottom, and the meat come out super easy. If you need to have the tail intact for presentation, run scissors each side of the bottom, then gently pull the meat. Separate the claw from the knuckle, Remove the small claw and make sure the little piece of cartilage come with it. Run your scissor all around the claw, then open it to remove the meat. Same with the knuckles, with the scissor or with a nutcracker. Now in the body, there's also some meat. Don't get what's outside of it, it's not really good, but get the meat inside. The legs also have meat. Take a rolling pin from the little claw to the base, press really hard, and all of it will come out. Make sure to remove that little line in the tail, basically this is his poop. And now, just for fun, let's recreate the lobster. Put back the claw, the knuckles, the legs, and the tail. Voila! A naked lobster! Did you like it?
Yes,
How was it?
it's very good.
To all my wine enthusiast friends, next week I will release a video on how to pair wine with lobster. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If so, hit the like button and
See you soon.
see you soon!
See you soon.